there in internet land. This is Samika Pledger here with SamikaPledger.info, and today I wanted to come to you because I just had an amazing breakout session with Mr. Marshall Sylver, and he said something that was very profound to me. He said that I am obligated to have a great life, and I thought about something. I am obligated to have a great life. We're all obligated to have a great and wonderful life. You know, having a great and wonderful life, though, I thought about, does not necessarily mean that you have all the money in the world, because we all know there are people who have all the material things that they could ever want, but they still do not have a great life. The reason why I feel like we're obligated, though, to have that great life is because we have something that a lot of people don't. We have the mind, we have the talent, we have the resources. And when I say people that don't, there's people who didn't wake up this morning. God didn't put us here to live a life of mediocrity. But for some reason, people get caught up in that. I myself, I have to admit, I did that also for a while. I did with what everyone else did. If everybody else is doing it, I felt it must be right, it must be normal. It has to be okay. I'm here to tell you it's time to have the great life that you deserve to have. You are obligated to provide a great life, not only for yourself, but for your family. You know, your children, they didn't ask to be here. My daughter didn't ask to be here. But it is my obligation to make sure that she has the greatest life possible to her. Right now, I'm in the Bahamas. I am enjoying my life. A year ago, unemployed, trying to figure out how I was going to pay my rent, how I was going to put food on the table, to now being able to come and just not only gain information from multimillionaires and multi-billionaires, but really map out my game plan so that I may be the next and follow in their footsteps. You are obligated to enjoy your life, have the great life that you want to have, and live your dreams. I'm going to give you a shot here. Now, this is the island. This is the island. This is Coco Keys. Now, the reason why I'm not there is because I chose to not be there. Why? Because there's breakout sessions 3 times per day, and I can either spend my time over there relaxing, enjoying this one-time vacation, or I can use this time to mastermind with those that come and they buy islands like this. They come, and their idea of staying on this island is being here for weeks at a time in pure luxury with some of the most high-tech equipment, electronics. You know, they eat the best food. So for me, this isn't just about coming here to lay up in the sun. Yeah, it's fun, it looks good, it's really warm here. For me, it's about continuing to stay obligated so that I can have a great life, not only for myself, but for my family. So the next time you have an opportunity to do something that may take you out of your comfort zone, be sure to do it. And don't just go for the ride. Don't just go for, you know, don't just do things because you just can. Do it because you want something more. Have a plan. Be precise. And do it because it's the right thing to do. Enjoy your life. And again, it is your obligation to have the best life you can have. This is Samika Pledger here with SamikaPledger.info. If we are not friends on Facebook, go ahead and send me a friend request. I would love to have you as a friend. I'll talk to you soon, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care. Bye.